Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the Apple Watch Series 8 Hermes edition. And this particular one is the 45mm version in the silver stainless steel. So let's get started. So I actually bought this online, and so it didn't come in the Hermes bag or anything like that, or it didn't have the ribbon on it. But so it just came in a brown cardboard box, UPS, and then this is the box that's inside. So first of all, you can just tell this box definitely feels like an Hermes box if you buy anything else from any of their boutiques. But let's get started over here. Okay, so there's actually two parts to this. So this is the box with the watch, and this is the box with the strap. So let's get started with the strap first, I guess. Right, so it's satisfying taking that off. Put that to the side. And so it has a really nice sort of a microfiber type of dust bag, which is nice. And this says designed by Apple in California and Hermes in Paris. So I guess these are just instructions on how to put the watch band on the watch. Okay, let's put that to the side. And let's see the straps. Okay, so this color that I got is called Vert Rousseau. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I'm probably not, because my French is not, I don't know any French at all. So other than oui, and that's about it. Okay, anyway, so this is basically, it's the Hermes green. And, well, first impressions, this is very, very soft. I didn't think it was going to be this soft. But yeah, I don't know if you can catch it on camera, but it's sort of like this. It's like green, but almost it's black until the light hits, and then you can see this really deep, almost like a forest green, like a really, really deep forest green. So green is my favorite color, which is why I sort of wanted this color, but and also why I didn't go for. I feel like most people go for the gold, which is sort of the light tan. Hermes, which is a very traditional color, I guess, for them. But I wanted something a little bit different. So that's why I went for the green. It really sort of spoke to me. Okay, and then this has got to be the watch. So, okay. Let me take this off. Okay. Throw on this side as well. All right. There you go. All right, so this is, again, designed by Apple in California and Hermes in Paris. So this is, okay, instructions. Oh, okay, so this is the rubber strap that comes with the watch. So this is basically supposed to be if you want to exercise with the watch on. As you can see, there's the Hermes logo on there as well. Really nice. And I think you can only get the orange if you have the Hermes watch, the orange band, and the Apple charger. No USB brick or charging brick. And then here we have the actual watch. So let me take this out. And there it is. Very nice. You can see the back. It says Apple Watch Series 8, and then Hermes and the 45mm stainless steel. All right. So let's put the strap on the watch. Okay. Oop. All right, so they clicked into place. Let me power it on. So if you sort of follow my channel at all, you probably know that I'm very much a mechanical watch type of guy. And it doesn't have to be, I'm not like a Swiss watch snob or anything like that, at least I don't think so, but I just love mechanical watches. And this is actually my first Apple Watch since Series 2. I used to have one, a black stainless steel version of the stainless steel. All right, I think this is like completely dead, but I never really used it much. And I guess for working out and things like that, I thought it was just about time that I get an Apple Watch just for the health and fitness purposes. Okay, so let's take this off. Wow, this leather strap is very, very comfortable. There we go. Although it seems a bit loose on me. So that's the watch on. It's really beautiful watch actually. It's really nice. So I have smaller wrists, and this is a 45 millimeter. So for comparison purposes, I mean, I guess size is relative. This is rectangular, but this over here is a 43.5 millimeter dive watch in circle, but it looks pretty much the same size. So, and also for reference, there's a 38 millimeter circular watch. So you can see, you know, when you first read that's 45 millimeters, you think it's going to be massive, but it's not like way too big. It's actually pretty nice size. Yeah, I really like this. The green is really nice. Now, I mean, the Hermes edition watches, they aren't cheap. So this one was $1,300, which is by no means cheap. And it's, I mean, you could get a regular Apple Watch Series 8 for about $400 if you wanted the aluminum. But I think the stainless steel versions just look really nice. They add, I don't know, a little bit of pizzazz to the watch. It just looks really nice. They sort of dress it up with the stainless steel, and I do like that a lot. And then, you know, the leather bands, the ones that Apple has, I don't particularly like too much. I actually tried one on at the Apple Store, and it just wasn't for me. But these Hermes watch bands are just really nice, and it's extremely supple. I'm very surprised actually, because usually when you have a new leather strap, it's stiff until you wear it, and then, you know, it gets a little bit softer. But yeah, so cost wise, I mean, technically you could just get a regular 45 millimeter Apple Watch in stainless steel. They're about $750 or $800 if you want like a leather band. And then you can always just buy the Hermes leather strap. These are about $350, I believe. But then you don't, you know, with the Hermes edition watch, obviously it says Hermes in the back, and then you also get some exclusive watch faces, which is, you know, potentially nice. But for me, I just figured, since even if I go the regular route of buying a regular Apple Watch, then ordering the Hermes straps, putting it on, it's going to end up being over $1,000 anyway. So might as well just go the whole way. But anyways, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to grow a following. So usually I just post about things that interest me. Again, please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.